Multiframe images, such as those obtained from ultrasound or digital angiography, along with multi-image series from modalities like computed tomography or magnetic resonance, can be viewed as a movie using the Cineloop tool. The Cineloop mode is automatically enabled for multi-frame images, while for multi-image series it can be manually activated by right-clicking the image to access the context menu and selecting the Cineloop option. Alternatively, the Cineloop can be activated by pressing the configured key binding, which is set to the P key by default. Once enabled, a toolbar appears at the bottom of the image. To toggle the movie playback on or off, click the pause or play button in the Cineloop toolbar, or press the configured key binding. The button icon will change to reflect the current playback status. For frame-by-frame viewing, utilize the arrow buttons in the Cineloop toolbar. To manually scroll through frames, drag the mouse along the timeline. To adjust the frame rate, check the FPS checkbox in the Cineloop toolbar and enter the desired value in the text box. To select the looping order for the frames, use the last button in the Cineloop toolbar. The circular arrow icon signifies that the loop will restart from the beginning, while the double arrow icon indicates that the loop will play back and forth. To exit the Cineloop mode, press the Escape key.